Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to highlight every other row in Excel, also known as zebra striping. This makes your data easier to read, especially in large tables, and gives your sheet a clean, professional look. The easiest way to add zebra striping in Excel is by turning your data into a table, and Excel handles the row coloring for you. First, select the range you want to format. In this case, I am selecting cells A1 to C6, but you can use any size. Now go to the top ribbon and click Format as Table. Choose any table style that shows alternating row colors. I will go with this one here. A pop-up will ask to confirm the range. And make sure the My Table has headers option is checked if your top row is a header. Click OK. And that's it. Excel has automatically added zebra striping to your rows. It will even adjust the striping if you add or remove rows. Super handy. Now if you don't want to convert your data into a table, there's another way to get zebra striping. We will use conditional formatting to highlight every other row. Start by selecting your entire data range. In my case, it's from A1 to C11. Now go to Conditional Formatting and then New Rule. Choose Use a formula to determine which cells to format. In the formula box, type this formula. This formula checks if the row is even, and if it is, Excel will apply the formatting. Click Format, go to the Fill tab, and pick a light background color. Something soft and not too flashy. Click OK, and then OK again. And now you have zebra stripes without converting your data into a table. You can also use this formula instead, if you prefer to highlight the odd rows instead of even ones. Now whether you used the table method or the conditional formatting trick, your data is much easier to read and way more presentable. If you found it useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for topics you want me to cover, please drop a comment below. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.